Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lorraine, and welcome to Curbside Crafts. This week's theme is friendship. Do you have a best friend? I have a best friend too, and my best friend here at the library is Miss Stacy. She brings a smile to my face every time I'm at work. What does your best friend do for you? Did they bring a smile to your face? Do you love playing with your best friend? Oh, that's nice to hear. Let's get ready to listen to a story, and then I'm going to show you the craft that's inside your take-home bag. Get ready. Here we go. Will You Be My Friend by Sam Mcbratney. Little Nut Brown Hare wanted to play, but there was so much to be done, and Big Nut Brown Hare was very busy. "Can I go and play by myself?" asked Little Nut Brown Hare. "Well, yes," said Big Nut Brown Hare, "but don't go too far." "I won't," said Little Nut Brown Hare, and off he hopped to explore on his own. Soon he discovered a puddle. There was another hare in the puddle, staring up at him. That's all it did. It just stared. "You're only another me," said Little Nut Brown Hare. He poked the puddle with his ears and skipped on down the path. Then Little Nut Brown Hare spotted his shadow. There it was, on the ground, quiet, still. "I'll race you," said Little Nut Brown Hare. Up and away he went, but of course his shadow went too, and just as quickly. "You're only another me," thought Little Nut Brown Hare. Still exploring, Little Nut Brown Hare soon came to Cloudy Mountain. What a surprise he found! There in the heather, someone was looking straight at him. Someone real. "Hello," said Little Nut Brown Hare. "My name is Tips," said the Cloudy Mountain Hare. "Will you be my friend? Do you want to play?" "Yes," thought Little Nut Brown Hare, "I do want to play." They chased each other through the heather. They dug a deep hole and built a pile high. They had tremendous fun together. Then they raced up Cloudy Mountain for a game of hide and seek. Tips lay down low in the heather and waited. Little Nut Brown Hare hid among the rocks, and he waited. He was sure that his friend would come looking for him. He waited for ages, until it was time to go home. But Tips didn't come. Where, he wondered, was his friend Tips? Would he see her again? He didn't know. Big Nut Brown Hare was pleased to see Little Nut Brown Hare come home. "And how did your exploring go?" he asked. "Good. It was good exploring," said Little Nut Brown Hare. And then, close by, they heard a noise. Was someone coming? "It's a little snow hare," said Big Nut Brown Hare. Now where on earth did she come from? Little Nut Brown Hare smiled. He knew. "She's from Cloudy Mountain. Her name is Tips, and she's my friend." The end. The first craft that you will see inside your bag is a wooden frame for you to decorate. The next craft that's inside your bag is a paper pinwheel. In your bag, you will also notice directions how to put this pinwheel together. There are 3 steps. The last craft that's inside your bag is decorate a mini poster. I hope you boys and girls have fun.